How to collect reviews with Trustindex. In today's digital age, collecting reviews is crucial for building trust and credibility online for all businesses. Trustindex offers companies modern and effective solutions to collect, display, and manage their customer reviews. So let's explore how can we help you gather more reviews quickly and easily. Number 1. Collect reviews with widgets. Trustindex provides seamless integration with websites, enabling businesses to showcase reviews directly on their pages. By embedding review widgets, companies can display feedback from over 130 review platforms, including Google, Facebook, Yelp, and much more. With our header-styled review widgets, businesses can also collect reviews directly from their website. Utilizing the Write a Review button, this widget layout ensures an easy way to gather even more feedback. Trustindex widgets are also fully customizable, allowing you to match them with your brand's look and feel. The process is user-friendly, requiring no advanced technical skills, making it easy for your business to enhance its online reputation. Number 2. Automatic review collection. One of the standout features of Trustindex is automatic review collection. Businesses can set up automated email campaigns requesting reviews from recent customers. These emails can be personalized, enhancing the likelihood of customers leaving a review. Automated follow-ups can also be scheduled to remind customers who haven't responded initially. Email campaigns are incredibly effective because they reach customers directly in their inboxes, ensuring high visibility. Trustindex allows you to customize these emails to reflect your brand's voice and style, making the requests feel more personal and engaging. Another powerful feature is the intelligent invite system. This system can redirect customers who intend to rate your business 1 to 3 stars to your customer support channels instead of posting the review immediately. This proactive approach allows you to address their concerns directly, potentially turning a negative experience into a positive one and preventing public negative reviews. By using automated, customizable email campaigns, businesses can consistently gather valuable feedback, improve customer satisfaction, and enhance their online reputation. Number 3. Collect reviews with one tap. Trustindex offers Review Collector NFC cards, a cutting-edge tool that simplifies the review collection process. By tapping their smartphones on these NFC-enabled cards, customers are instantly directed to your business's review platform, making it easy and convenient for them to leave a feedback. These cards can be strategically placed in high-traffic or high-interaction areas, so your company can maximize the likelihood of receiving timely reviews. This innovative approach helps your business collect more reviews effortlessly while providing a seamless experience for customers. The Review Collector cards are designed to be highly intuitive, requiring no additional apps or downloads, which reduces any barriers for customers. Additionally, the immediate and direct nature of NFC technology captures customers' impressions while their experience is still fresh, leading to more accurate and detailed reviews. The Review Collector cards offer a modern, efficient, and customer-friendly way to gather valuable reviews, helping businesses boost their online presence and reputation with minimal effort. Number 4. Scan and collect with QR codes. QR codes serve as a method for easy and immediate review collection, enhancing customer engagement and feedback collecting. The process is straightforward. Customers point their phone's camera at the QR code, tap the notification that appears, and they are instantly taken to your review page. This quick and seamless experience reduces friction and encourages more customers to share their opinions. They can be placed in strategic locations, such as near cash registers, menus, posters, or even on business cards, making it convenient for customers to provide feedback wherever they encounter your brand. This flexibility allows your business to capture reviews in various settings, whether it's at the point of the sale, during service, or after the customer has had time to use the product. Trustindex's QR code solution is a powerful, versatile, and user-friendly tool that simplifies the review collection process for your business. Number 5. Shopify and WooCommerce integrations. With Trustindex's Shopify and WooCommerce integrations, setting up review collection campaigns on your e-commerce platform is a breeze. Once integrated, the system automatically sends personalized review request emails to customers shortly after they complete a purchase. This automation saves time and ensures that you consistently collect reviews without manual effort. The automated emails are customizable, allowing you to tailor the message to reflect your brand's voice and aesthetics. Trustindex's integrations are designed to be user-friendly, requiring no advanced technical skills to set up. The hassle-free integration process allows you to focus on what matters the most: running your business and satisfying your customers. The integrations also feature the intelligent invite functionality. This smart system can redirect customers who might leave lower ratings to your customer support channels, giving you the opportunity to address their concerns before they post a public review. This proactive approach helps manage customer dissatisfaction effectively while enhancing overall feedback quality. Incorporating Trustindex with Shopify and WooCommerce means you can effortlessly collect reviews, leveraging customer feedback to build a stronger online reputation and drive growth for your e-commerce business. In today's world, customer reviews are essential for a business's reputation and success. Trustindex makes it easy to collect and manage these reviews with tools like automated email campaigns and NFC cards. These solutions simplify the review collecting process, increase customer engagement, and build trust. By using Trustindex, your business can also turn feedback into a valuable asset, improving its online reputation and driving growth. With Trustindex, collecting and using reviews becomes effortless, helping your business to stay competitive and succeed. If you would like to get to know more about Trustindex's other features, then sign up for our free 20-minute workshop, where our expert will show you why Google reviews are important for your business success, how to rank higher on Google Maps and search results with the help of reviews, how to manage your online reputation with the Trustindex system, modern automatic solutions for review management, and how to collect 15+ new reviews every day. Book your workshop appointment on the dashboard of your Trustindex account.